Do not listen to this recording while driving or while operating machinery. Only listen to this recording when you can devote your full attention to relaxation, free from distractions. Find a safe and comfortable space to unwind where you can focus on your own serenity and well-being.
Hello, this is Cheyenne, and I'm delighted to welcome you to this guided hypnosis session. Together, we'll explore the power of your unconscious mind to better manage pain and discomfort, finding relief, comfort, and to enhance control over your own body. Pain is a vital messenger from our body, signaling potential harm or damage. By understanding its role in our daily experiences, we can harness this feedback to protect ourselves more effectively. Hypnosis is a natural state of concentrated focus where attention is narrowed, distractions fade away, and the mind becomes more receptive to positive influences and suggestions. One common myth about hypnosis is that it involves mind control, but the truth is, you're always in control. You have the power to accept or reject any suggestions, and you will never do anything against your will. Research has shown that hypnosis can actually change the brain activity, leading to positive outcomes like reduced pain. While hypnosis is a powerful tool, please remember that it is not a replacement for medical advice. Always consult your doctor for personalized guidance. Let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable spot to relax. Take a few deep breaths and join me on this empowering journey. We'll explore the potential of your mind to manage pain and discover new possibilities for well-being. Allow yourself to settle in, getting comfortable and cozy, letting go of any tension or stress. Now, if you'd like to, just go ahead and see if you can close your eyes. And I wonder if you can imagine. Everybody can. Imagining is something you can do. Remember how much you imagined when you were little? Or you can just remember a time when you were falling asleep. Just falling sound asleep. Now, perhaps you can remember a time when you were so tired and relaxed. All your muscles totally relaxed. And just remember a time when you were falling asleep, going into a deep sleep. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Now, this is important. You could stay asleep as long as you want to stay asleep until I tell you. And remember, you will always hear the sound of my voice, however far or deep you go, and you will always feel just fine and be just fine as a result of these suggestions. So, it's okay. Just go ahead and fall sound asleep, deeper and deeper and deeper asleep. You may or may not remember to forget everything that happens. It's okay. Imagine yourself stepping into a serene sanctuary where peacefulness surrounds you. As you enter, notice the calming atmosphere embracing you, wrapping you in tranquility. Feel the gentle sensation of your feet connecting with the ground, the soothing sounds of music surrounding you, and the sweet scent of nearby flowers filling the air. With each breath, allow yourself to relax deeper, letting go of any tension and embracing the calmness that's always within. As you exhale, feel your body releasing any stress, your mind quieting, and your heart filling with serenity. Focus on the area of your body where you're experiencing pain or discomfort. Imagine a warm, soothing light beginning to fill this area, gently penetrating deep into the tissue. As this light travels, it dissolves any pain, inflammation, or tension, replacing it with a sense of calmness and relaxation. Repeat to yourself, my body is relaxed, my mind is calm, and I am in control of my pain. My body is healing, my pain is subsiding. Now, relax everything. Relax your eyes. They are returning to normal, and you are sound asleep. Sound asleep. And you will sleep until I tell you. Then you will awaken quietly and easily. Until then, just relax everything and sleep, sleep, sleep. Now, visualize your body's natural healing processes being amplified, accelerating the repair of any damaged tissue. Imagine fresh, oxygenated blood flowing into the area, nourishing and rejuvenating your cells. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine your pain as a wave, ebbing and flowing. As the wave recedes, it takes the discomfort with it, leaving you feeling more relaxed and at ease. Repeat to yourself, I trust in my body's ability to heal. I trust in my own inner wisdom. Remember, you are strong and capable of managing your pain. Your body possesses an incredible capacity for healing and regeneration. Allow yourself to tap into this inner potential, embracing the power of your own natural healing abilities. Trust deeply in your body's innate wisdom to heal and find comfort, knowing that you are capable of overcoming any discomfort and finding peace. Visualize your body's natural healing processes working to reduce pain and inflammation. Envision your cells repairing and restoring themselves, promoting comfort and well-being. Now, relax everything. Relax your eyes, they are returning to normal, and you are sound asleep, sound asleep, and will sleep until I tell you. Then you will awaken quietly and easily. Until then, just relax everything and sleep, sleep, sleep. Your body is relaxing, letting go of tension and discomfort. Your pain is decreasing, becoming more manageable with each breath. You are in control of your pain, able to adjust its intensity. Your body is releasing endorphins, natural pain relievers to comfort you. Your muscles are relaxing, releasing any strain or tension. Your joints are lubricated, moving smoothly and effortlessly. Your body is healing, repairing, and restoring itself. You are capable of managing your pain. You trust your body's ability to heal. You are strong and resilient. You can and will find comfort and relief. You are in control of your well-being. Your body is safe. Your joints are pain-free, your nerves are healthy, your muscles are healthy, your body is capable of healing. Every day and every way you're getting better and better. Every day and every way you're getting happier and healthier. Every day and every way you're getting stronger and stronger. In a moment, I am going to count backwards from 10 to 1, and I want you to awaken 1/10 of the way with each number until you are fully awake. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Totally awake, totally alert. Take one final deep breath in, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of relaxation with you. Have a wonderful day.